Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making some slime. So basically you will be needing something to stir with, some glue, some shaving cream, some warm water, and a few pumps of lotion. Okay, so let's get right into this. Okay, and you'll need a bin. Okay, so I have already added the glue. Okay, so now we're going to be adding some warm water. 1/2 cup of warm water. And by the way, you can do food coloring, but it's optional. So let's add this in. And we mix well. Okay, so basically once it is completely white like this, it's still going to be really liquidy, but once it's completely white, we're going to be adding some shaving cream. Okay. So basically the more you add, the thicker it will get, but you don't want to add too less because otherwise it will just be turned into a liquidy substance, and who wants that? So let's start off with a little. Let's mix and see what happens. This is not a little. I did way too much. Okay, so now we can always add more, so I just mixed a little. And now we're going to add a few pumps of lotion, I said we would do. Okay, let's set this down. So probably about like 4 pumps. Oh, come on. Okay. And you can always add more lotion. Okay, so let's mix this up. Okay, so let's add some more shaving cream. I lost it for a minute. I thought I added too much, but oh, some stuff there. So this was already almost empty. Don't worry about adding the whole thing. This was, I don't know how much, it was probably like really almost empty. So yeah, so don't worry about like using the whole thing. I honestly don't know how much I added, but just add a little bit at a time. I added a lot because I added like none at the beginning. And I don't want mine, I want mine to be really thick. Okay, so I'm going to speed this up for you because this is going to take a long time to do. Well, not a long time to do. It won't take a long time to do, but sometimes making takes longer than expected. So I am going to do that. Okay, so I finished it because I have a little tip. Because if you notice, that does not activate it. But if you mix 1 teaspoon of borax, and you mix that with 1 cup of warm water, and then mix that together, you'll get an activator. And basically, you'll take that slime, pour little bit by little bit of the activator that you just made into it, and you can add food coloring. at the end or in the beginning. Basically, if the end and you don't like your hands getting blue, just fold it in instead of mixing it. Bold. Okay, so basically this is the finished product. It is more than this. It's a whole other container. So it's a lot. So basically, anyways, this is really nice. It looks really cool. I made it a sky blue. It's cold, but that's how a lot of slimes are. And yeah. Bye, and hope you had a wonderful time watching my videos.